Hello friends, welcome to Interior Decor Designs. Recessed living room lighting will not only illuminate your home, but there's so much more to it than that. To take full advantage of what recessed lighting ideas has to offer in terms of both functionality and aesthetic charm, it is essential to get them just right. And in this video, you will find some of the great lighting tips you should know before you begin. Recessed lighting is a light fixtures that install into the hollow area of a ceiling. And to be completely forthright, getting the layout of your lighting just right will take a bit of research and simple calculation on your part. Before you start, you need to define what goal you have in mind for your recessed lighting. For example, you need to determine whether you want lighting for highlighting specific item in the room to create a visual focal point, or perhaps you simply want to incorporate lighting to brighten the entire room with warm lights. The overarching goal of your lighting will determine the layout style and the individual that you will use. The three primary types of lighting goals that will likely alter the layout that you use are: first is ambient lighting, second is accent lighting, and the third one is task lighting. Ambient lighting is used to illuminate your entire room. It should offer a comfortable, evenly dispersed glow without being overpowering its brightness. Ambient lighting generally begins with a lighting source in the center of the room that you can use to evenly space your lighting around. Accent lighting can be used to highlight a specific item or wall. For example, you might want to accent lighting to illuminate that gorgeous piece of abstract expressionist fine art you recently purchased with a wall wash of light. The third type of lighting goal is task lighting. Task lighting is used in areas where you work so that you can reduce eye strain. For example, you might want to install recessed lighting under your kitchen cabinet or under a decorative stove hood. After all, you want to be able to fully see what you are doing as you prepare your food. Once you fully understand the goal of recessed lighting, it's time to start sketching out the room and the rough layout. Taking stock of your ceiling height is important for a well-lit room. It can provide you a solid understanding of both the number of lights and how far apart to space them. Take the height of your ceiling and divide it in half. For instance, if you have a 10-foot ceiling, you will want to space your lighting fixtures approximately 5 feet apart. This will give you a baseline idea. However, you can make adjustments based on the decor of your room and its general brightness and place your lights a bit closer together or further apart accordingly. Don't overlook your dimmers. Dimmers allow you to choose the amount of light in the room to match the mood that you are trying to create at a given time. When you use dimmers, you also have the added benefit of extending the life of each bulb, since you are using less energy when the lights are dimmed. We don't generally recommend being scared of shadows, but in this case, you should be. Make certain that you will not accidentally create shadows in the corner of your room when you plan your lighting layouts. If your corners are shadowy, it can make your ceiling look as if it is lower. This can detract from visual spaciousness of your room and in turn can even detract from your home's value. You should choose the trim style of your recessed lighting that complements your room decor. Perhaps you are looking for adjustable recessed lights. You might consider a stamped metal fixtures that look terrific as an accent lighting on wood ceilings, in offices or in other places where you seek an elegant touch. Of course, the look and feel of the trim need to be in accordance with your personal tastes. Friends, if you are enjoying these designs and ideas on modern living room recessed lighting, then you should definitely consider to subscribe to our YouTube channel and be a part of our YouTube family. On interior decor design, our aim is to simplify and give ideas to our subscriber and make them aware of modern interior decoration design ideas that is going on in this world. If you want more interior design ideas on interior and exterior designs, then you should check out our website interiordecordesigns.in and also download our Android app to get the latest design ideas according to your choice. If you want, you can follow us on Facebook, Pinterest, Instagram and Telegram. You will find all the link in the description box below this video. Choosing the right recessed lighting trim comes down to your aesthetic taste and desired effect. Choose a flangeless trim to fit seamlessly with the surface or a flanged trim for a more prominent look. A square aperture for a more modern look or a circular one for a more classic aesthetics. A bevel trim for depth or a flat trim for a minimalist finish. You can choose any type of trim that you want, but based on these ideas, you should look for the trim that suits your home and your interior. In addition to aesthetic differences, there are a variety of functional differences between trims that customers should look out for in their search. Wet location trims are appropriate for areas where water could come in contact with the trim, such as shower or sauna. Damp location trims are suitable anywhere else. Adjustable trims are suitable for sloped ceiling or walls that will be washed. Otherwise, fixed trims are the way to go. Of the adjustable trims, directional trims give the most flexibility in directing lights, while global trims still offer plenty of flexibility but not quite as much. Open reflector trims emit the highest amount of uncontrolled light possible, while baffle and spectacular trims reduce glare. After choosing the trim, you need to choose the lamp. Lamps are usually sold separately from the housing and trim. Most lamping in recessed lighting today is integrated LED, no bulb needed. But if you are working with non-LED recessed lighting, there are plenty of different style of lamp to fit the specification of any configuration. The A lamp is the most common type of lamp used for a variety of applications. It has no glaring weaknesses nor exceptional strengths. Perfect as a spot, flood and display lights, our lamps contain a reflector and an excellent beam control. With their long beam and wide spread, PAR lamps are excellent for task lighting as well as general lightings. MR16 are ideal for accent lighting due to their excellent beam control. We are sure if you follow these lighting designs and tips in choosing fixtures that speak to you and your room decor, you are going to love the lightings you end up with. Adding lighting to your home can help to create the ambience and beauty you are looking for in your living room. As long as you plan ahead, recessed lighting will be the perfect addition to your overall lighting design. Friends, hope you like this video on modern living room recessed lighting designs, and for more such videos don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and also click the bell icon so that you never miss any future updates whenever we upload a new video. For the latest and trending interior decoration design, visit our website interiordecordesigns.in and check out the latest trend in interior decoration. You can also follow us on our social media profiles like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Telegram, and Pinterest for more design ideas. You will find all the link in the description box below this video. If you want to take interior decoration design ideas in your pocket and on your smartphone, then you can download our app available on Play Store from the link in the description box below this video. If you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel, then you are definitely missing out the latest and trending interior decoration ideas and designs. So if you want to catch up with the latest interior design trends, make sure that you hit the subscribe button and make it red. This will help you to get the latest notification whenever we upload a new video. That's it for this video. We'll meet again soon in the next one. Till then, you can watch the video that is suggested to you according to your choice.